There we go. Hello, Luz. Good to see you again.
Hello. Hi, Leslie. How are you today?
I'm having a great day. Lots of fun visiting these houses online. Now we've
It
gone over to
is.
Northport and we're in the Lakeside Plantation subdivision at 2393 Pecan
Oh,
Drive.
all right.
This is a very large house, 2,400 square foot house. It's a two-story, you see here, built in 2003. Really nice neighborhood. Lots of activities happening here. It's a very active neighborhood with a lot of families.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. You see this
Oh, it has
home
a
backs up to the
in the
lake.
back.
Yeah, the lake in the back. It has a beautiful garage too. They just finished repainting the entire garage and doing the floor finish. You know, it looks great. It's beautiful. And check out that entryway. Isn't that elegant?
That looks
Very,
really
very.
nice. Those windows and the door looks like impact windows. Are they hurricane proof?
Yes, that front door is impact glass, and the windows are impact as well. They are Duramade Hurricane windows. And here we go in the
That's
kitchen.
awesome.
Yeah. The kitchen has a lot of upgrades. Those are pecan cabinets and an upgraded Brazilian granite. Nice big refrigerator too. I think that picture made it look a little bit bigger than it really is. The flooring is really tile. It looks like wood, but it's actually tile, ceramic tile. Oh, this is the formal dining room. They just didn't put a dining table in there. And you see, oh, hey,
There.
that's, hold on a second. Let me go back to that a second. This is actually a den that on the lower level. They're using it for a bedroom because they have lots of kids. So up here to the loft, we have another music room, a very musical family, you notice.
Yes.
Yeah.
It looks like mine.
Yep, it does. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of musicians here. Even a drum, Liz. This is the master suite.
I know.
Yeah. They've got those
Oh, I
Bahama
like that.
shutters. Yeah, isn't it cool? And the master bath is amazing. It's got travertine shower, rain shower head, and a bamboo waterfall into the garden tub. And you don't see it here, but the
Oh, that's
closets, those closets are California closets. They're to die for. More bedrooms upstairs. The upstairs, the floor is really wood. It's laminate wood floors up there.
so. Do you know what is the school district that these kids go?
Yeah, so this is in Northport, and the kids would go to Toledo Blade Elementary School, Woodland Middle School, or Northport High School. But the Imagine Charter School is really close to this too. Here's that beautiful pool.
Oh, that's great.
Relax out there. And the paver deck out all the way around it.
With that beautiful view.
Yeah. Beautiful sunsets out here because that faces west.
I can imagine.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Yeah. There's lots of activities
A
in
lot of
this.
green.
Lots of green. And this subdivision, there's sidewalks all around, so you can bicycle or rollerblade or walk or jog and see lots of different green spaces. And that's the amazing community center. With a big clubhouse,
Oh, wow.
tennis
It has a
courts,
couple of
basketball courts, and a resort style pool. A place for the kiddies.
This is a very kid-friendly community.
Sure is. It sure is. This family's been here for just a short time, but since their kids are growing up, they're deciding to see if they can find another place that will be their retirement home or their forever home. So it's an opportunity for someone to step into a really, really beautiful subdivision with lots of other families. There's adult families in there as well, and lots of amenities and activities that happen at the community center. So if you'd like to know more about this property, or you'd like a video tour like this made for your home, give us a call and we'll be happy to give you a no obligation consultation about listing your home. You can call us at 941-681-3420. Or if you're a buyer, you can get a hold of Luz.
Yes, and you can contact me directly to my cell phone, that is 813-546-6717.
All right, thanks again for joining us today. We hope you'll come and visit some of our other listings soon. Thanks again. Bye now.
Bye.